what I'm saying, look. Oh, that's the police. Just be quiet. Stealth mode. I don't need no exhaust tickets. I might need to hide the camera. He might give me a ticket because I'm obscuring my vision. Let me put that down, man. Now he can't see you. Oh, damn! They got me. There's two of them. It's over. Dang. Alright, what's good, y'all? Damn, my lights cut off. Hold on. 1 sec. Put the key. Digging in the pocket. Alright, for sure. What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Dev. And as you can see, we downtown with it. It look nice down here. Hey. So I'm finna bring y'all a little downtown POV jive. Nothing too crazy. And we're gonna finish it off with a little cherry on. Excuse me. And we're gonna finish that bit off with a little cherry on top. I low-key don't know how to get out of here without my GPS, but it's the first time for everything. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the car. All right, we inside Big Roxy. Let me cut that bill. Oh, okay. Big purr. Right, it's low-key cold outside, and I don't like it, man. I do not like the cold at all. But it is what it is. What is the color of the night? Let's see. We're gonna go with orange. No, we're gonna do peach. We're doing peach. We're going peach. We're going orange. Let's see. Orange. The orange is cool, but we rocking out with the peach, man. Peach jeans. We in sports mode tonight as well, man. All right, enough talking. Time for the driving. Like I said, I really don't know how to get out of downtown, but we gonna see. Can I make it? Hell yeah. Oh, it been sound dangerous out this bit. I really don't know how to get from down here. I remember I got told, bro. I had a job. Shit, was it right here? Bro, yes, bro, right there, bro. I had parked down this little street, this little back street right there where the police was just at. Where y'all seen the police lights behind these buildings. Bro, I literally went upstairs to grab some paperwork in the top of these offices up here. Man, I was up there for 2 minutes. Not even. Shit. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Bro, I got a notification, bro, that my car was being like a death notification. Sprint back downstairs, man. My car is gone. I could not see that thing nowhere. Then I went inside the little bank that I was near it. She was like, oh yeah, I told your car because I didn't see you walk inside the bank. This is for hold on, I gotta lock in. Which way am I going? What was I saying? Cause it's neither one of these ways. The 408. Alright, fuck it. We get on that bit. I can figure it out. Yo, let me over, yo. Y'all freaky, man. Bit mirror. Alright. Oh, Lord, we almost fell over. Alright, we back. Sorry, y'all. I had to adjust. We on the highway with it. But I don't even remember what I was saying no more, bro. My bad. How was y'all day? That's bad. I should remember what I'm going such the opposite direction. Oh no, I'm not. Oh yes, I am. I guess I can get off and get back on. It's cool. That's the police. Shut up, bitch. Be quiet. Stealth mode. I don't need no exhaust tickets. I might need to hide the camera. He might give me a ticket because I'm obscuring my vision. Let me put that down, man. Now he can't see you. Oh, damn! They got me. There's two of them. It's over. Dang. Put the money in the bag! Alright, bro. Green light. Let's do it. Let's get on it. Let's skip to it. Skip it to do. Bro, I hope these police are not going the same way that I'm going, man. I'm not trying to bother anybody. I'm just trying to be a good kid. Drive my car, have some fun. There we go. There's the sugar. Oh. Bruh, the man is getting on the highway. No. I was finna go stupid under this tunnel right here. Alright. Do some dumb shit to go viral. Alright, when we get on the highway, I'm gonna fly past his eye. YOLO. My mama would be so disappointed in me. I would not. I can't do nothing that dumb. I want to, but I can't. Bro, it looks like he's going the same way as me. Oh, let me shut up. Hold on now. He might be good. Ta-da! Bro gonna teleport on this side. No, let me make sure the Suburban not trying to get over here. Go ahead, I ain't gonna kill you. I know you can't make that turn that fast. Alright, for sure, you good. Shit, I can't make it turn that fast. Alright, let's get hit by the wind, man. The wind finna kill us, man. Highway, you know what I'm saying, look. I can't do too much. Shit. I got a ticket here last time. Well, not last time. I got a ticket here before doing that same thing. He didn't even know how fast I was going. He just said he gave me a ticket because he saw how loud he heard how loud my car was. He heard how loud my car. Damn. He heard how loud my car was, and he observed me moving quickly. I forget the exact words he said. Yeah. $181. That was in the orange mirror though, not this one. Oh, the dust in his eye, boy. Woo-wee. I wasn't even speeding though. I'll tell you that much. I think I might have been going like 70, 75. Speed limit 65. That ain't nothing crazy. Damn, what they doing? They going me get up in there with you. Excuse me. Squeeze miss? Nah, I ain't gonna kill myself. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Car gonna be too loud. They gonna be tripping. I ain't gonna do it. No, you supposed to hit that bit, Mustang. Oh, crash into the back of your ass. Boom. No, don't speed up now, lame ass nigga. It's too late. We about to go around the curve. The corner. I'm no Dale Earnhardt. I'm just Devin. Oh, whatever. No cap. Yeah, we definitely finna spin. There was no highway action for real. No space, no Nathan, no Nathaniel. Slow out eco boost. We meet again. Let me chill. The road trash over here. Trash. Y'all probably get smacked by the wind too. Nah, man. I'm gonna go slide this bit. So, bro, like, nobody's outside, bro. I mean, I guess everybody in the house, it is cold. But this is the perfect weather for the cars, man. Cars running 2 times faster, man. That might be a myth. And I need an oil change on the low. It is what it is, though.